Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to History. I'm chilling with Thunderwoods Media. Check these boys out. They definitely ain't doing their thing. If y'all ain't hating, participate. If you are hating, don't be mad because you ain't think about this shit first. Chief Champagne Belly, aka Bottle Poppin Banks, aka
Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi.
we made history.
Don't
We
have
out.
me have to go and get my Uzi. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. I say you don't want beef. Swag. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. Swag. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. Swag. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. Swag. I say you don't want beef. Swag. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. Swag. Don't have me have to go and get my Uzi. Swag. Don't have me